So, you've been thinking about upgrading your action camera. Maybe you're ready to record epic adventures, vlog your travels, or just capture life in stunning 4K and beyond. The two big contenders right now are the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Both are shiny, packed with features, and made for creators, athletes, and explorers. But which one is actually the better choice for you? Let's dig in, feature by feature, so you can decide with confidence. Design and build quality are the first things you notice when picking up either camera. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is compact, lightweight, and rugged, weighing around 149 grams. It's designed with dual touchscreens, making it intuitive for vloggers and travelers who want to frame themselves while recording. Its thermal management ensures it can handle extreme conditions without overheating, which is a major plus for long shoots or harsh environments. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 13 Black keeps the classic GoPro look, slightly heavier at 154 grams, but still extremely durable. GoPro's new magnetic mounting system makes attaching and detaching mounts effortless, which is perfect if you constantly switch between helmets, chest mounts, or tripods. DJI feels more balanced for handheld use, while GoPro shines when versatility and accessory options are a priority. When it comes to image quality, both cameras are impressive but take slightly different approaches. The DJI Osmo Action 6 has a large sensor and variable aperture that helps it handle a range of lighting conditions. Its color science is natural and pleasing, which means your footage looks polished without heavy editing. It can shoot photos up to 38 megapixels and videos in 4K at 120 frames per second. GoPro Hero 13 pushes resolution further with up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and supports 10-bit GP log along with HDR for creators who like to color grade and tweak their footage in post. It also supports the HB series lens mods, including ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic options, giving filmmakers incredible creative flexibility. In low-light situations, DJI has the edge due to better ISO performance and noise control, which means it captures more detail with less grain. GoPro has improved its low-light capabilities compared to its predecessors, but it is still slightly behind DJI in dimmer conditions. For those who want natural, ready-to-share footage straight out of the camera, DJI stands out, while GoPro is ideal for those who plan to edit and color grade extensively. Stabilization is critical for action cameras, and both DJI and GoPro excel in this area. The DJI Osmo Action 6 features rock steady and horizon steady, keeping footage smooth even during walking, biking, or moderate adventure sports. Horizon lock works reliably, which is perfect for travel vloggers or casual adventurers. GoPro Hero 13 introduces Hypersmooth 6.0 with Auto Boost, which reacts faster to sudden movements and feels more dynamic during high-speed sports like skiing, skateboarding, or motocross. For extreme action scenarios, GoPro provides slightly better stabilization, but for most everyday use in vlogging, DJI stabilization is more than sufficient. Battery life and temperature management are important factors for long shoots. DJI Osmo Action 6 performs well across different temperatures with good efficiency that reduces the risk of overheating during long sessions. It can last up to 4 hours under ideal conditions at 1080p, though real-world usage is slightly lower. GoPro Hero 13 features a new 1900 mAh Enduro battery, larger than previous models, offering around 2.5 hours of recording at 1080p at 30 FPS. While GoPro's battery is powerful, it is not compatible with older GoPro models, which is worth noting if you already own accessories. DJI excels in extreme temperature conditions, while GoPro offers slightly longer recording capacity under normal usage. Audio is another area where the cameras differ. DJI Osmo Action 6 captures clean and balanced sound with effective wind reduction, making it convenient for casual vlogging without the need for external microphones. GoPro Hero 13 takes audio to another level, with a 3-mic system, Bluetooth microphone support, and voice-boosted modes to enhance dialogue clarity. For creators who do interviews, podcasts, or require wireless mic setups, GoPro provides more advanced options. When it comes to extra features, GoPro Hero 13 clearly caters to creators who want maximum flexibility. It offers 10-bit GP log and HDR for professional color grading, supports HB series lens mods for creative angles, and includes timecode sync for multi-camera shoots. Wi-Fi 6 ensures ultra-fast transfers, and advanced slow-motion burst modes let you capture high-speed action at 720p at 400 fps or 900p at 360 fps. DJI Osmo Action 6, on the contrary, focuses on a reliable, intuitive experience. Its dual touchscreens, rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization, variable aperture, and large sensor provide excellent image quality and low light performance, making it easy to shoot anywhere without needing to tweak settings constantly. DJI is about efficiency and ease of use, while GoPro is about maximum creative control. User experience reinforces this distinction. DJI's interface is clean, responsive, and straightforward, allowing you to start recording quickly without navigating complex menus. GoPro Hero 13, while packed with features, requires more interaction and menu navigation. It is ideal for enthusiasts and professionals who enjoy exploring all creative options, but it can feel overwhelming if you just want a camera that works immediately. For beginners or those focused on traveling and vlogging, DJI provides a smoother, frustration-free experience, while GoPro caters to power users and filmmakers. Price considerations also play a role. In China, the base price of Action 6 is 2,998 yuan, around $415 for the standard package, which comes with the camera, a 1,950 mAh battery, a two-way quick release adapter, and a USB-C fast charging cable. There are also several bundle options available at higher prices for those looking for extra accessories. GoPro Hero 13 launched at $430. While powerful, often requires lens mods or accessories to unlock its full potential, which can add to the total cost. If you want a great out-of-the-box experience without extra investment, DJI is more straightforward. GoPro is an investment that pays off if you want professional flexibility and creative freedom. In short, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is perfect for creators who want natural colors, great low light performance, excellent thermal management, and a simple, reliable interface. It's ideal for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants high-quality footage without the complexity of multiple settings or accessories. GoPro Hero 13 is designed for those who need advanced video controls, professional-grade color profiles, insane stabilization for high-speed action, versatile audio options, and the ability to attach creative lens mods. If you are a filmmaker or an extreme sports enthusiast who love experimenting and pushing your footage to the next level, GoPro offers unparalleled flexibility.